Let us understand what is the significance of photosynthesis. This photosynthesis is the only process which is done by plants to produce the food materials on planet Earth. No other organisms will be able to make the food material except the organisms which have green color pigment, that is chlorophyll. So this is the only process through which the food can be produced, and plants are the primary producers, main producers to make the food materials. All other organisms are directly or indirectly dependent upon plants to get the food. The process of photosynthesis also helps in maintaining the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. Why? The oxygen is produced as a byproduct in the process of photosynthesis, which is very essential for the survival of all kinds of living organisms. So, we know that the air contains 21% of oxygen. If it is utilized continuously, there is a possibility for reduction of it, but it is not happening. The reason why is plants are always replacing that oxygen quantity into the atmosphere through this process called photosynthesis. So it is very essential process in order to produce food, and also for the production of oxygen. It's a very important process. Now let's see which part of the plants can make the food materials. Some leaves which are completely red in color or any other dark colors, can they make the food materials or not? Yes, they can make the food material because they do have chlorophyll in them, but other colored pigment is very dominant. That's why they are looking in other color, but the chlorophyll which is present in them will be enabling the leaves to make the food materials. But we can see some of the other kinds of leaves where there are some patches, very light colored patches, yellowish or whitish patches, and can those patch areas, like which areas are very transparent or white, which are not in any of the color, can they make the food material? Means no. The area which is green in color and which is other dark color can make the food material, but not this kind of white patches or yellowish patches, because chlorophyll is absent in that particular area. So in order to prove that the green color pigment, chlorophyll, is very essential for making food material, and also sunlight is essential for to make the food material by leaves, and whether the leaves produce food or not, we can prove all these aspects through an experiment. So for this experiment, what we are supposed to do is we need to take a potted plant and de-starch it for 3 days in a dark room. De-starching means we will not expose it to sunlight so that it will not make any food material, and all the food which is already stored will be utilized by the plants. Now after de-starching, bring it out and keep it in the sunlight for 6 hours and observe if the leaf is preparing the food material or not. How to observe that? How to know whether the leaf prepared food or not? Bring that leaf after exposing 6 hours, cut it and bring it to the laboratory and boil it in the alcohol. Means we need to take a test tube. Here you can see the test tube over here. You kept the leaf in the test tube, and in the test tube you have filled with ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and that is kept in the beaker which is filled with the water. Now this is what can be called as boiling water bath or double boiling. Here alcohol is a highly inflammable substance, that means it catches fire very quickly. That's why we can't keep directly test tube on the flame, so we are taking water in a beaker, and then we kept the alcohol test tube in the beaker in which we have kept the leaf. So after boiling, the leaf will become very light in color, means all the chlorophyll will get dissolved in the liquid alcohol, and then leaf becomes pale. And bring that leaf and put it in a petri dish. The spherical dish is called petri dish. Put it in a petri dish and add a few drops of iodine solution. So the iodine always reacts with starch to give blue-black color. So here when you add iodine, if the leaf is turning blue-black color, that means the leaf prepared food material. And if you have done this experiment with a leaf which has patches, which is called variegated leaf, so the greenish part will turn into blue-black, and the other white color region will not turn into blue-black, indicating that only the area where chlorophyll is present, it has prepared the food material. And also only if we keep this setup completely under sunlight, the food preparation will take place, otherwise it will not be taking place. So carbon dioxide is also very essential. So till this part we have revised once, and tomorrow we'll continue the revision of the lesson of other concepts. Thank you children.